Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Versatile Tech Tips. Today's topic is mobile functioning. We are going to deal with basic features and parts of a smartphone, part 2. In this, first one, RAM. RAM is random access memory. The main purpose of RAM is to run the application on the mobile, that is, if we open any app, it will run on the RAM. More the GB, that means gigabyte of the RAM on your mobile, the more smoother and faster will be the phone while multifunctioning. Anything that works on the RAM will not be saved permanently unless you save it in the hardware storage, that is ROM. The next one, ROM. ROM is read only memory. The main purpose of ROM is to store the files and applications in your mobile. ROM does not contribute much for the fastness of the mobile, but anything which we save that will be stored permanently in the ROM. ROM is equivalent to a pen drive or a hard disk. Third one, OS, which means operating system. It is a software platform on which the application runs. Even though if you remove all the apps in the background, you still see some of the RAM is consumed by OS. There are two types of operating systems. One is stock ROM and the other is custom user interface, CUI. Stock ROM. We have Android versions like 8.1, 9 and 10 as Android Oreo, Android Pie and Android 10 respectively. Custom user interface, CUI, means running an user interface which has different look on the Android version. For example, Oppo mobiles run on Color OS based on Android version. Next one, chipset. Chipset means the processor. Chipset is analogous to the brain. All commands will be received by the processor and processor analyzes the command and gives a response to the command. RAM, ROM and OS etc. will be under the control of the chipset. We see most of the mobiles contain Snapdragon chipset. The higher the version of the Snapdragon chipset, the higher will be the performance of the mobile. For example, a mobile with Snapdragon 855 will perform more efficiently than that of Snapdragon 845. The processor mainly has two parts, that is CPU and GPU. CPU, Central Processing Unit, and GPU, Graphic Processing Unit. CPU is for the performance and maintenance of the mobile, and GPU is for gaming and graphics. Cores of the CPU are analogous to hand. More number of cores, more will be the efficiency of the performance of the mobile. For example, octa-core, 8 cores will be more efficient than hexa-core, 6 cores processor. The smaller the size of the processor, the less will be the heat generated. For example, 7nm based processor will produce less heat than 14nm based processor. Thanks for watching friends. Please like and subscribe our channel.